I hear this hunter close to wing fan. Okay, I can turn on the maybe sharp, medium, and high. This fan isn't quite installed correctly. Look at download the download coupler. There is no set screw anywhere on it. Which means that when it's on updraft, the motor torque would cause it to screw itself and fall down. I know it has happened to one Hunter original while on updraft. It has an ember. So possibly replaced an Emerson. It wobbles a medium. It makes clicking noise. Wobbles on high as well. Clicking noise went away a little bit. It was okay about anyways, thanks for watching.